Welcome to our guide on decoding the Bill of Lading. We're diving deep into UCP 600 Article 20, the foundation of international shipping documentation. The Bill of Lading is the most critical document in international trade, proving goods have been shipped and securing payment. Did you know a single missing word in a signature or a vague date can freeze millions in trade? Goods get stranded, and sellers go unpaid. The problem is that the rules, specifically UCP 600 Article 20, are often misunderstood. This leads to a high rejection rate by banks, causing expensive delays and disputes. We'll strip away the legal jargon to give you a clear step-by-step guide. By the end, you will know exactly what a bank looks for to ensure your documents are accepted immediately. We'll navigate this complex topic by exploring 4 core themes: identifying the carrier, the onboard rule, port-to-port accuracy, and transshipment and charter parties. First up, identifying the boss or the carrier. This is the company taking legal responsibility for the goods. Under UCP 600 Article 20, ambiguity is strictly prohibited. The document must explicitly state the name of the carrier and clarify exactly who is signing it. If an agent signs, they can't just scribble. They must explicitly state their name, that they are signing as an agent, and specifically state for the carrier to be valid. For example, if Mitsui OSK Lines is the carrier and Amity Shipping is the agent, the signature must clearly state Amity Shipping as agents for the carrier, Mitsui OSK Lines Limited. Otherwise, the bank rejects it. Next, let's look at the crucial onboard rule, proving the goods have physically sailed. There's a massive difference between received for shipment, meaning goods are at the dock, and shipped on board, meaning they are physically on the vessel. Article 20 requires evidence of shipped on board. You can prove this in 2 ways. Either the document is pre-printed with the words shipped on board, or if it says received, you must have a separate dated notation, like a stamp, confirming shipped on board. If your bill of lading is dated February 1st but only says received for shipment, the carrier must stamp shipped on board February 5th. The bank will then treat February 5th as the official shipment date. Our third theme is port-to-port accuracy. The journey on the document must flawlessly match the letter of credit. If the letter of credit asks for shipment from Hong Kong to Copenhagen, the bill of lading must clearly show shipment starting at Hong Kong and ending at Copenhagen. Any discrepancy risks rejection. Be careful of the intended vessel problem. If your bill of lading lists an intended vessel, you must get an onboard notation confirming the actual vessel loaded onto and the date this happened. If the letter of credit demands shipment from Guangzhou, but the document says Guangzhou is the place of receipt, meaning it might have been picked up inland, you need a dated notation to confirm shipped on board at Guangzhou to satisfy the bank. Finally, we cover transshipment and charter parties, addressing changes in ships and the types of contracts allowed. Banks generally accept transshipment, where goods switch ships, provided the entire journey is covered by one document. Even if the credit says transshipment prohibited, Article 20 allows it for containerized goods. However, Article 20 strictly prohibits bills of lading subject to a charter party, which is a contract where a whole ship is hired. If you see freight payable as per charter party, the document will be rejected under this rule. A simple phrase like issued pursuant to charter party dated August 14th is an automatic rejection under Article 20 because it indicates a private contract, not standard liner shipping. Analyzing the bill of lading under UCP 600 Article 20 requires a keen eye for detail. Let's review the main takeaways. Remember these 4 points. Clearly identify the carrier and the signer. Always have dated onboard confirmation. Ensure ports are specific and match the credit. And finally, absolutely no charter parties. As global trade moves digital, how might electronic bills of lading change the need for physical signatures and manual onboard notations in the future? It's something to think about. Do you have any tricky bill of lading examples you've encountered? Leave your questions and comments below. We'd love to discuss them. Thank you for watching. If this breakdown helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more deep dives into trade finance.
Stay ahead in the world of global commerce. Subscribe to Vanijja for expert analysis. And don't forget to like this video.